Hey, Kobe here. I just installed this one package. And I basically got them in the plastic container, and I shot them down with sugar water so they wouldn't fly. But we got a few flying. They're no problem. And I basically dumped them inside the 5-frame nuke. I put the queen in between two already drawn frames, and just so the queen has something to start laying in, and then the other frames, the two that are sitting up, they just have basically a starter strip with wax on it, and hopefully they'll draw out straight home. We'll see. But as you see, I don't have a veil on, t-shirt on, regular pants, and they're not stinging me. They're more concerned about that sugar water. I hate that I had to spray them with sugar water and dump them in, but put them in a 5-frame nuke, I don't have any other choice. We'll see how this turns out.